Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video, my Panda palette challenge, or series, whatever you want to call it. And yes, I'm gonna address the elephant in the room because I'm sick. So if you hear it, I'm very sorry. It's not my fault. I am sick, but I do not have the sickness that's currently going on. You know what I mean? I actually went to the post office today, and as someone does when you have a cold, you cough, right? And people looked at me like, "Oh my god, she has the virus. Oh my god, she's gonna die. Like stay away from me. I'm just having a cold. I don't have the virus." People are freaking out of it. Let me know how it is in your country. Over here, people are just nuts. So, anyway, I actually didn't want to do a video today because I just want to sleep. But, you know, I'm already dressed, so why not? Also, that's why I have no makeup on or lipstick or whatever, so please bear with me. So, anyways, long intro. Well, rather long. A bunch of palettes here. So, I got 10 new eyeshadows. Now, I feel a bit like a hypocrite with this because I always call her out on her anti-vax thing and her anti-Semitism and Nazi husband and just everything in general. But I bought the Kat Von D vegan palette. My boyfriend picked this because he liked the colors. It was either this or the Lolita palette, which I will show you here. That's what that one looked like. Anyways, so I got this one. And as far as I know, she will not get any money from any of this anymore because she's completely out of the brand, which I appreciate. So I got the vegan palette. You know, I'm not vegan, but you know, this is another thing of, you know, how to tell if someone's vegan. They just show you a little joke. Okay, don't be offended. This is what the palette looks like. It's very heavy. I don't think it is the shadows themselves. It's more like the palette, you know, not the eyeshadows. So it is cardboard, but it has a mirror. So there goes my sustainable rules. Anyways, it has a hard mirror here. It says it's best applied with fingers, and this is what the colors look like. And I have to agree with my boyfriend. Those colors look beautiful. And I will, of course, do a swatches video of it. But yeah, those colors are gorgeous. So I got 10 new shades. They're beautiful, especially this yellow here. Oh my god. Oh, let's go for the green because green's my favorite color. Oh my goodness. And let's do red. You see this? Oh my god, look how stunning those are. Very creamy too. I always want to try something from Kat Von D and I never did because she's a bit of a cunt, to be honest. But yeah, now I have this palette and she will not make any money from it. It's not even called Kat Von D anymore. It's called Kendo Vegan Beauty and Discovery Plus Doing Good, something like that. Like I almost had to stroke reading that, okay? But yeah, also the colors are here, which I really appreciate. So 10 new shades. Which is not good for my overall total, but yes, I'm excited for this. Alrighty, so if you saw my smile video, the second one, I told you that I would get rid of the golden shade in this quad, and I did. So, it's empty. The pigmentation was not there, it was pure glitter, it didn't look good, it was very chalky. It's gone. So, one empty. But then again, I bought 10 new ones, so it's not really making a difference. But this is gone. Then also, from this quad here, which I will also link here, this is the first one that I used, you know, or did a video on. I got rid of the white shade because that was, it was a bit showing up, but not a lot, and it was pure glitter and chunky and just didn't like it. So I only have 2 shades left in this one. Yeah, but this will not be my next Panda palette. The next palette I will use in this challenge. Anyways, yeah, 2 of these are gone. I didn't use them up, I just threw them away because they're just horrible. Another one that I got rid of is from the It's My Pleasure palette by Colourpop. The thing is, yes, I'm getting rid of a lot of eyeshadows, but life is too short for bad eyeshadows, okay? So I got rid of Earth Shine, which you can, like, these I used up. This one I just got rid of because it's just not that great. It was a bit like this color over here, but with pure glitter in. Pure glitter. And I had that on my eyes, and I removed it, and the day after, I still had glitter on, and my eyes were itchy and swollen, and I did not like it at all. You know, it's typical Colourpop. They put non-eye safe glitter in eyeshadow palettes. The non-eye safe glitter in eyeshadow palettes. Think about it. That doesn't make any sense. So I got rid of that one as well. But this year will also not be my next Panda palette because I have other ones. This is not the oldest one. I got this like a year ago, so I have older palettes. I will show you the one that will be my next Panda palette. Is the Mother Renaissance palette, and I hit pan on one shade here. This is a Primavera. go to shade. I'll do a swatch of this, come on. Oh my god, so beautiful. Like a golden shimmer. Beautiful shade. Like it's not like golden was like a bit more toned down, you know what I mean? Still very, very beautiful. So yeah, I hit pan on that, and that's the eyeshadow that I currently use. On top of the other one, I will show you that. So yeah, this will be my next palette because this I got in 2018. One of the oldest palettes that I have, and also I dropped this, and a huge chunk is missing on this one. Cypress Umber. Yeah, anyways, so I hit pan on this one. I will of course give you my goals and my updated list of how many shadows I actually have left. This one, my Makeup Revolution palette, the Flawless Matte. Only one eyeshadow left. Only one eyeshadow left, yes! Okay, so I used this one up. This one was Antique. And now I'm using Soft as my eyebrow shade. This is just my eyebrow palette for the last 6 months, probably. There were only brown shades left, and they surprisingly all fit my brows, which is a bit weird. Maybe I just think they fit my brows, but they look horrible in reality. I'm not sure. But yeah, only one left. I've started using this like 2 days ago, so a lot of progress. I mean, you can see a bit of an indentation going on, but that's about it. No major progress on this eyeshadow. On the palette, yes, but not on this eyeshadow. So then last but not least, I have my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, which is still going strong. But yeah, I hit pan on this one. White Chocolate. This is my blending shade. I literally just use that for blending. Or when I put liner, just use this all over. Yeah, it is a huge pan. It's literally 2 smaller pans, as you can see. It will take a while, but I hit pan. I'm very excited about it. And then I think I spent the pan in Salted Caramel as well. It's beautiful to look at. And once this is gone, I think I will use this one. Because, you know, like I said, one light shade, one darker shade, one light shade, one darker shade. You get the deal. So, yeah. I'm using this all over the eyelid and also underneath on my lower lashes. My lower lash line. Lashes. And then I use the golden one from ABH on top. And that's basically it. And then the blending shade. So, yeah. Okay, I will give you my goals for this month. You know, currently working on it. I really want to hit the edge of any of these sides, honestly. Like, it's just, as soon as I hit the side of this pan, I will be very happy. Definitely expand the pan in this one. Because why not? You know, I literally use this every single day when I wear makeup. You know, as soon as I put makeup on or as I decide to wear makeup, I put this one on, obviously. So, yeah, just expand the pan in this one and then maybe hitting the edge of the pan on that one. I had some progress with my eyebrow shade. Of course, I don't want to finish that up. That would be ridiculous. Maybe it might be possible, but it would be ridiculous. What else? Maybe finish up Primavera. There's not that much in anyways, and I feel like the pen is very weird. You know how usually a pen is just straight and even and just slick? This has bumps on the pen. I don't know why. I mean, I've had this for 2 years. Do you think it's off already? I don't know. It's still a gorgeous palette. This is one of the palettes I would definitely repurchase because it's gorgeous. And I also love the Renaissance, as you know. It's my favorite period of art and period of time. So, anyways, finish that one up. That would be amazing. As for the others, I don't really have any idea. I definitely will use the F1D one, or the KVD Beauty one, because I want to do a swatches video and I want to do what do I call it? Palette bingo with this. So I will definitely use these and I hope they're good. It even says on the package it's best applied with fingers. I will definitely play with this and then that's probably it. You know, I'm not planning on doing any crazy eyeshadow looks in the future. Maybe, but so far, no. Also, I spit on this. Great. Okay, so that will bring my total. Let me check. Look, I used so much up. I had to use 2 post-its. It's excessive. That will bring my total to 110, which is exactly what I started out at the beginning of the year, and then I think I got rid of 2 or something. I don't remember, but 110. So I'm back to where I was. That's the highest I've been ever since I started this year. So anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you used up, and You've seen some of the palettes I have right now. Do you want a look with it? Something special or whatever. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know how your projects are going. Project pen, a pen palette, use it up. Any other project. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Errands today. I feel like I'm in a very weird setup. Hold on, let me just maybe like this. And as someone does when you have a cold, it's one of the oldest palettes I have. Very, very beautiful shades. Let me zoom in a little. Okay, I just put that all over. Oh my goodness. No, how the